morning guys, and welcome to One Man One Life. Well, yesterday I went over to Deranged and bought a brand new set of wheels and tyres for the Ranger. Here they are. Now the tyres have been fitted, but there is no TPMS valve on them, so I'm going to shoot them down to Nick's tyres and get the TPMS valves fitted and then put on the car. So let's get the truck out and throw them in the back. Right, before we start throwing the tyres in the back of the truck, I thought I'd show you the TPMS switch. So they go on the end of the valve. So we've got 4 of them to go on, so we'll again get it up to Nick's tyres and get them fitted. So let's get the truck loaded. Right, first tyre on. Right, let's get them off to Nick's and get them sorted. Right, let's put 4 tyres on, ready to go, and this is a before shot with the all wheels on. So let's just nip round the back and do the other side. There we go, all wheels, hopefully to be replaced by new ones shortly. This is a before view, water leaking out of it from somewhere, and this is it after. Right guys, that's the wheels on. Brand new rims, brand new tyres, thanks to deranged. So she needs a bit of a clean, but yeah, all done. So there we are. If you like this video, hit the bell for notifications, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for plenty more adventures to come, and we'll see you on the next one.